So this is going to be another little tiny accessory that I'm adding in my accessory playlist. It's just a little tiny bow tie. So far I have used it on the kupikachi, on the little hair for the voodoo doll, and a tie for the voodoo doll. So if you're just looking to make a tiny little bow tie or bow for one of your projects, this will be a quick little easy bow for you guys to make. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. For the bow tie, we are going to take our yarn and we're going to leave a little bit of a tail, 6 to 12 inches long. We're just going to tie a knot with a loop on the end. And we are going to chain 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then starting in the second chain from the hook, we're going to do 6 single crochets all along. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we're going to turn our work. Maybe we'll chain 1, I can't remember. And we're going to do 6 single crochets along this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're going to just tie that off with a bit of a string at the end there. And we'll have a little bit of a rectangle going on at the moment. We're going to take one of our threads and we're just going to kind of weave it down into the center. Oh, it's really tight. Pull that knot down, but you don't want to pull it so tight that you don't have a point there. And you're going to get your other side. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to just weave it down to the center. And give them a tie. You want your knot to be in the middle of your bow tie. The first one you don't want to do too tight because you don't want to pull them ends in. And then as you tie a couple more knots, slowly make them a little bit tighter. And one more. Or I can't remember what I did. I should have watched my own video. So now let's pinch that, wrap it around a couple of times to make it look like a bow. Then you're going to tie it again to hold that in there nice and tight. Maybe one more tie. And there you have your little bow.